Good evening, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great week. I know for a lot of you, it's the end of school for your kids. So a lot of graduating and moving on to the next year and tears and hugs and all that. But yeah, so anyway, we're making a quick stir fry. We had some vegetables that we needed to use up in the fridge that were fresh. So carrots, cauliflower, pea pods, some actual kale. Hi, Donna. That needed to be used up. I got chicken going. I cooked it with a tiny bit of sesame seed oil and a little bit of nourish broth. And the chicken's pretty much done. I had the sweet and sour stir fry mix. I'm not putting pineapple or pineapple juice or anything in this. So it's just the mix with some water, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a little bit of our sesame ginger dressing as well, just to kind of expand it because we do have a lot of produce and stuff going in. So expanding the sauce instead of opening up a new package and just adding a little extra kind of idea. And then to add a little bit of the sweet part and spicy, I'm going to put in some red peppers, or I'm going to fly it around the house, whichever it might be. The microwave's going because in there is the noodles. So I've got rice noodles in the microwave in the round steamer, just a bit of water, enough to cover it, and then 10 minutes, and I can toss it in with the sauce in that here. All right, so that's the sauce and the chicken. Just smishing up the red pepper. Oh, it smells divine. There you go. The chicken and sauce. And then now I'm going to just toss in the harder vegetables or sturdier vegetables, whatever. So they soften. Now you can use whatever vegetables you have. You could use frozen, fresh, whatever you like. Just have some fun. Peppers or anything like that. Whatever you like. It doesn't have to be chicken either. It could be tofu, shrimp, beef, pork, whatever you like. And so at the end, I will throw in the pea pods and that because we don't want them to get too smushy, and the kale. So super simple there. While that does that, we just tidy up a tiny bit. Let me check on our noodles. Oop, jeez. Yeah. So there you go. That's how easy it is. So there you go. So you can see they're pretty much done actually with 7 minutes. So I'm actually going to put them into the sauce here so they can finish cooking in here. So then they cook with the sauce as well. So kind of like my noodles al dente from the microwave, so I don't turn into mush when they hit the pan. I'm using the saute pan, but you could totally use a wok or whatever you might have. Get that out of the way and mix that up. And at this point in time, I will add a little more water for the noodles and the sauce. And then I can actually just mix it up, make sure all the noodles are in the sauce, and then put the lid on and just let it finish cooking up the noodles, marrying with itself with the sauce. If you feel like it needs more, you could taste it at this point in time. Hi, Melissa. And see if you need to add in more soy sauce or rice vinegar, or if you made it with the pineapple, that you will need the rice vinegar because the pineapple juice will take care of that. Whatever you want. All right. Kale pieces. I want more water. Turn down to low, and that's it. Quick stir fry, 10 minutes or so. And we'll have dinner, or less than 10 minutes. I mean, a couple minutes to chop it all up. Luckily, I had help in the kitchen today. So there we go. Vic and I have been getting better at sharing the chores when it comes to dinner. And you know how it is when people get in the kitchen. They're like, it's my kitchen, get out. You know what I mean? That kind of stuff. So yeah, easy peasy. That's it. Literally, I'm just going to give it a couple more minutes to get the rest of the water and the noodles soft. And then that's it. So dinner is done. Super simple, right? Easy peasy, right, Donna? And that's it. That's dinner. That's all. I came on to show dinner. It smells yummy too. It's like so. If I could totally get smell-o-vision, if that would be something, that would be great. Because you can just smell the peppers, the Szechuan, the soy sauce. You can smell it all. It's really, really yummy. So yeah. Just a heads up, things are coming tomorrow and Friday. We got lots happening actually. Oh my God, like lots. So we just launched our starter kit yesterday. It's super cute, super awesome. And it's also like set up for you to get going on your biz if you ever thought of joining Epicure or just joining so that you can get the discount, whichever it might be. But it's a great kit because it sets you up for, cooking classes, showing what it's all about. The Mexican collection inside is awesome. The steamer is awesome. It's all great. And then tomorrow we're going to do a gift with purchase. So hi Tammy, if you were contemplating putting in an order, in until the end of the second, I think it is. Maybe the end of the month. Sorry, I don't have all the details. Hi, Tammy. They just announced it. So it's a gift with purchase. So spending $100, you'll get a new product to try. So either the all-dressed fries seasoning, which we've been having all week long. So either this one or the Nashville Hot, which I can totally recommend both of them. So I don't know, it's going to be hard to choose, I'll be honest. And the last one you can choose from is the Aqua Fresca. So all three are really going to be awesome choices that you can get if you purchase, put an order in after tomorrow. So tomorrow until the end of the month, I believe. But it could be the second. I'm just off on that one. But either way, within a week, basically. Also, the hot burger collection will be going away on the 2nd as well. So if you were interested in getting that burger collection for 30% off, 20% off. Wow. I think I need to eat. Anyway, 20% off. You can until the 2nd, and then it goes back to regular price. The taste of the season goes on until the 10th, so you got lots of time for that. And just a heads up, if you get any of those collections, you are double helping your ambassador because we collect points towards our trip, and it's based on, of course, sales, but we call them QB. QB gets doubled when they're in the spotlight. So yeah, so if you were double wanting to help out your ambassador, that would be awesome. And grabbing one of those. But of course, you know what? We love you just being here, so it's all good. But yeah, just thought I'd share that, full disclosure. We love it when we get the taste of the season. What else? Epic Life Challenge is starting up in July. It'll be about the end of July. So there'll be a new collection, which will be on sale coming on Friday as well, if you were looking to stock up on a lot of items. Otherwise, yeah, those are the things. Oh, and July is going to be exciting. There's going to be cool host benefits. So the new exclusive item for hosts, if you have an event, a class, whatever you want to call it, you can get the Greek collection kit and skewers for 50% off, which is cool. So exclusive to hosts to get that much off on those. And if you have a cooking event of some sort in July, you will get $75 credit above and beyond your host benefits when your class hits the $500 level. So that's the same as we did in April. Super exciting. So if you're interested in having an event in July, whether it be virtual or in person, a catalog order, whatever it might be, it's a good month to do it because as I said, you get an extra $75 of free credit. And that credit can be used for like 60 days. So how would July so be like August, September, which is even better because September is our new season. It's when the fall hits us. So you can use those credits towards the fall. So bonus, bonus, win-win all around. All right, I'm gonna stop talking because the food is now ready, and I'm really, really hungry, and it's just, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, I gotta put my pea pods in, which I forgot to cut up. Oh, well, big pea pods. That's the way it goes. Shut off the heat, and there we go. Sweet and sour stir fry, sans the pineapple, with a little bit of extra of sesame ginger to just expand the sauce, a little bit of red pepper jelly, and some nourish broth. That is what I cooked the chicken in. So there we go. Have a happy Wednesday. If you're off for this weekend, awesome. Enjoy your long weekend. And yeah, I hope to hear from you. And if you want to put an order in the next couple of days, feel free to reach out to me or hop online. If you want to have a cooking event for July, let me know. If you're interested in maybe jumping in with us and becoming an ambassador, again, reach out to me. Let's chat, or your ambassador for any of this. So yeah, happy Wednesday. Thanks for jumping on with me.